I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. So many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. An infatuated light, although it hurts me, be with you.
Hi everybody, we are here in Capitol Reef National Park and we are in the Fruta campground.
We were lucky to find a camp spot at the last minute, and
It was the last one.
yeah, we left from work, came straight here, and we're camping here tonight, so we can get up early, go to the visitor center. We need a permit to overnight in the backcountry.
It's free.
It's free, but you'd have to show up in person to get that permit. And then in the morning we will be headed out the Notom Bullfrog Road towards Muley Twist, Upper Muley Twist Canyon.
Always in bloom for you. For
We just got done at the visitor center. We got our backpacking permit for Upper Muley Twist and we're ready to go.
the storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive where the grass is green and we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side.
What do you think of this road so far?
It's a lot of bumps, but it's not too bad in some places. Lots of sand. And we're going about 12 miles an hour.
Through the black hole to make myself whole again. You want the truth and you're having doubts, but if I tell you now, the sun dies out. 'Cause I can only give you my heart when the darkest clouds begin to part. I hope I see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul through the black hole. like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We are now 1.7 miles into our hike from where we parked at the trailhead, and there's our first marker is Saddle Arch, and right here the trail splits. You can continue following the wash behind me, which is a gradual climb that will take us up to the rim, or right here the trail splits and you can hit the hard part first and hike the rim here. We're taking it slow because there's no water source out here, so we're each carrying close to 2 gallons of water, and it's about 85 degrees, so we're just moseying along.
It's a little strenuous,
Loose sand and gravel
but we're carrying 40-pound packs each.
We are in the trail about 4 miles now, and we stopped at this nice little arch in this little canyon to take a break.
Check that out.
These kids don't play.
What did you think about the hike in today?
Well, you're definitely in the bottom for the most part of it. You're in the river bottoms, and you just follow the trail all the way out, and there's actually arches, like 4 or 5 arches on
Along
your
the way.
left-hand side as you're going in.
High canyon walls, it's beautiful.
And if you don't pay attention, you actually will miss the arches.
Have to be watching for them. It's a
Yep.
beautiful canyon.
Yep.
It really is.
Dressed up for the night at the break of dawn. No either pray. Take a suicide joyride just to prove you wrong. With the
This is day 2 of our backpacking trip. Yesterday we didn't do a whole lot of filming because we were exposed in the sun and just trying to get through it. And today we'll be going through this.
maybe we were born this way. Locked up in our dreams, no need to survive. So I just get on my knees and pray.
are just taking a pack break for a minute. I'll show you what we just came over. We had to come up and over that, back down into the wash, and then we're going to go that way and find the trail that goes back up. Check out these views. This canyon is beautiful.
Yeah, we're sucking up the melted ice, suffering in paradise. Turn me up, I wanna feel the glow of the lights on my face and the stereo breaks up, breaks up, breaks up, breaks up. It gets hard when you chase the pain all night. You're getting close, but you feel the strain. Hold on yourself, it's hard to maintain, like trying to build a fire in the pouring rain.
We are along what's called the water pocket fold. The water pocket fold runs for 100 miles, and it's like this huge warp in the Earth's crust, exposing the red sandstone, the Navajo sandstone. This is like a geologist's playground.
Maybe we were born this way, locked up in our dreams, no need to survive. So I just get on my knees and pray. Yeah, we're happy and we're cool as ice, suffering in paradise.
Hi everybody, we are in Capitol Reef State Park.
National Park.
Cut.
My shorts.
Got it.
Great hike, I think, for just a day hike. It's tough going backpacking.
Backcapping?
We're so tired. Come on. Hello.
Turn it off. If you like our video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It's free, so no worry about that. You'll just get updates on up and coming videos. And we will be in Teton National Park next week, and you'll see footage of that. Have a great day. That's as low as this one goes.